Obi aso ntimi nyimedi. Obi an suspended me, obi aso ntimi suspended me. And yes sir, me didn't say I say obi so no. But the point is that na my bre. Your friend don't talk. And I heard about GJA. I don't want to talk about that institution, that association, you know, that group, you know. I just don't want to talk about it. But I'm a certain crowd. The entire makers and a lot of people were calling me about it. Yeah. The fact still remains. Me member of GJA, me be so da. Because we're a serious association. If members can go take money and organize a press conference about me, I mean you member. Na mentiasie.
Abusunya Captain Smart asan baby mu aka no na wabetutu bi e de ma GJA pa na nsembɛn e na Captain Smart ababetutu e de ma GJA. In fact say the captain abɛbɔ na adwen de ma GJA pani eye oradwonfo ene GJA body ni nyina no. In fact o kyerɛ kra say GJA kwaji S.A.K bi e no mde baba yes press conference no e de fa no na GJA e pa omra bonten no omra me kan se wankwan kwaji S.A.K bia emfemfi baabi ansa no baba yes press conference no e de afa ono Captain Smart wa sa video no e na mensa ka me de baba subscribe my page we mi adoma no so ama upload bia bia wonsa etimi aka ebusuya ye wa ha e na GJA e be ye press conference e ka kire media general say omo presenter ba ko e friend say Captain Smart no ne nsem bia o keka ne se ne o ka ne nsem no ye wa batom ti se omo ampe bibi anka kire Captain Smart enkofa papa enfa me be ye kra anka omunyi Captain Smart enfa free media general ho na ensemi ebeto odwan Captain Smart eba abonten ebe momuaye man na be na hinie na ye hu Captain Smart e wo screen so ntena bibre se oh ene Captain ampa asema GJA kan no na TV3 na se media general in all no assumption Captain Smart se ne GJA e kan no ampa o mayi nadi ama no afio eye media general ho ama wakwakobo ne sesen e wo baby na se na Captain enko e Captain asan aba onua na waba betutu bi e de ama GJA penifo ne pa se ono Captain Smart no hwan ni GJA hwan ni oradwonfo a ono na ese oye GJA peni a obetimi apam no de afi media general anase onua ono Captain Smart ne kire se obia ni ho a obetimi apam no edi na fi onua anase media general je se ono Captain Smart no ese ebusia yenko na yenko hwe ensem a Captain e ka de kire GJA ni S.A.K Captain e allege say GJA fo akwakoje enom de be ono Captain Smart ba kopai e ho press conference abusuya ansa na e be kwakwe sa video make I will say e cake center e na asomasene emam de dwumadi e bro cake center say ode bosumi ba ko asiwo a ode e kire cake any decoration ye e bia na wo ye housewife na wotifia oba ene ye ntena fie say ye housewife nti ye nya hwe be ma ne kwa won so fa won say bibi kakra eno ti ko cake center na cake center emfa bosumi ba ko pe emma won sa no dwuma na fa ye na ode asowasene ama won so nya kakra e de atobotum cake center e wodan suman e ho e na cake center ibutu e bia na nsema me kan yo pe mu nchirimu a free cake center e wo 055464 0187 0554 640187 ebusia yenko ne yenko he ensem a Captain etutudu ma media general anase ensem a Captain e kan editor GJA na yemra
obi aso ntimi nyimedi obi an suspended me obi aso ntimi suspended me and yes sir me didn't say I say obi so no. But the point is that na my bre your friend don't talk. And I heard about GJA. I don't want to talk about that institution, that association, you know, that group, you know. I just don't want to talk about it. But I'm a certain crowd. The entire makers and a lot of people were calling me about it. Yeah. The fact still remains. Me member of GJA, me be so da. Because we're a serious association. If members can go take money and organize a press conference about me, I mean you member. Na mentiasie. I've said it and I'm still repeating. 213,000 Ghana cedis. That is the amount of money a bar say ye de ama jomfo and then nkrofo. So mumfa nkoye press conference about Captain Smart. Jomfo should come out and deny. It's a 2.13 billion old currency. So I'm going to press conference about Captain Smart. Me can't say win ne and check Ghana for me means asem ka. Me means asem ka and you're number one. Jimmy Semenka. we me mame, we me papa, we wine, we wine. Na me se meka throw plain. Menka. The next point is that me se Ghana man your phone no nyina ne say. One person me no benya asema.
It's a daybreak.
And kasentia Kwame Nkrumah. I am repeating.
This is the
Me say one person me no benya asema. And kasentia Osajefo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, the founder of Ghana. Ye ni founders. Nana Obwa. Hey, JB Dankwa, he knows nothing about the name Ghana. It's a lie. Aya, man, you say fear hampeni for name Kasa. You have no idea the number of times they. Hey, na enemy. Why ya be a slow wire? Hey, Satupa Komubua. What didn't into me saying. Wait, Mammy can't Minianoma Santa Fua, where people say. Party when penny for dear name say no. One more yamole lele. Men are catch now. What do I They want to discredit every Ashanti in the new patriotic party. Wait. One person mass Santini be or MPP muno or look useless. So that next time we you tear. Omaga so fast saw her. Eti Asante Fua. More MPP muno. Mama dream now to say Jay for.
Mama wanim be
any can. As a nippany bean tiase.
Mama wanim be open your eyes.
Open your eyes.
Mama wanim be open your eyes.
Because someone in me only whatever but just say open your eyes.
Mama wanim be open your eyes.
These Achim mafias, they have decided, say, the largest regional constituency for the new patriotic party is the Ashanti region. If you don't discredit that region, anybody can come up next time, run up, and then become the leader, and then we'll be in trouble. Senti Sanka, won to me, the regional chairman da. If you say a okun war, a full nyansafo a yetasen krofodi animu. Say chairman Sabunsu on kasa.
Open your eyes.
Hwade om de John Kuma, fear here the better nam catch say ya poison.
Captain Smart, the king of
when he passes, omukuni say to. Votarians, I am telling you today, MPP mpe Agyapadie bi asem anka Canada Agyapong on kase we ya kanine wuhia Agyapadie afa ba bontim me am kan. I didn't say that Canada Agyapong did, but the reality is that mine say mine bo under these people because there's a huge political cartel to do Ghana in finito. No Ghana for sabai we anko position on yan to abanan tia baumia ne rani me mo fanse saban te bi no Sierra Leone no office Sierra Leone na po Ghana ni is he a Ghanaian? I am asking him to come here and uncle station be or comfortable top 4 say Ghana for presenters I can say top 4 uncle top 4 no be stations no frame me or Ghana ni ofri ne ma me friend say Agyapadie sa ne friend no document no bias so be kan ho asem okrum ha me onua the entire onua team yen and yet we dey Agyapadie tool TV so before no wa han ka me kire o gabi o kire da ko send me message gabi ani abre o fra me mprenu manfa ena o send me text message on WhatsApp pay so when if it's a sad document no be as slow so be kan ho asem Ghana. It took me and my team we did 2 TV so on say obi e kan Agyapadie because they said your boy kwan ni ho a asafofo ntimi ntwa so say twafo hene ni ho a asafofo omundu ntwa so to be boy kwan ni to say na obi e kan Agyapadie meja ma mo nko so men kan bi because me be ni na mpese Ghana fo hunu I mean, who born that dog? I mean, we got to be sincere with ourselves as people. Me meka and no credit here. Hey, yeah, natural. Look at this. Agyapadie project. Yeah, ni ade buy. Obi asro, obi antimi anka. Yeah, ni ade to on your TV so. Central Bank say Ghana. Central Bank where is Mo Bank of Ghana no more. Egu. Bank of Ghana egu. I am telling you today. Bank of Ghana. Akola Pase. Bank of Ghana is dead and gone.
Mayana Manye.
From 2012, ABC 2017, Bank of Ghana in Yamfaso. From 2017, in there, Bank of Ghana bought 60 billion Ghana cedis. What are you talking about?
Money.
Nanado. Huh? Kenoforiata. Any that chim mafias. We might take over Bank of Ghana.
Mayana Manye.
My Bank of Ghana governor here, friends. What am I making? When I go Security and Exchange Commission, Data Financial Services and Enterprise Group, Kevin G&G Telecom and Telecommunication Space, Unipass, Ghana Quick Response Codes, GHQR, Power Distribution Services, and China Semonfa Jimmy Soho, my dear nephew, because more than a car. Ghana by say me we never be catch China then I am on time. Say China for S.A.C.K new meters about. Mama GECG. Me catch am say China GECG. Mo ga say na me dwa manum. Agyapadie management agreement. Omo de call. Bank of Ghana gone. Bank of Ghana first deputy strongly aligned gone. Bank of Ghana second deputy gone. Retirement of first deputy placement with strong Baumia lawyers that's gone. Go through Kwasro. A war fund banking cleanup and your friend war fund no. It's a gone. Consolidated Bank of Ghana, a gone. Ghana Amalgamated Trust got 800 million Ghana cedis. It's a gone. A local and international partners gone. Whatever their leverage over key management personnel and some board members to assure funding for private businesses aligned to our cause. In the unlikely event our bloc is not in power, we could also count on them to make pronouncements that will influence public opinion against the ruling government. 7 January 2025, Mahama will be the president of Ghana. It's a gone. Antoinette Kofi, my body did with them that. Gone. Ghana Commercial Bank board and key management roles. Gone. The Stanbic gone. Kwasro. Ebra. Ujaf. Okododo. Ana. OMPP.
It's a daybreak.
National Insurance Commissioner, so far has worked effectively in furtherance of our objectives. This has underscored a clear understanding of the loyalty to Nanado and our broader political objective. Gone. National Insurance Commission change in leadership. Gone. Nat Nagrat UTAG, TUTAG, GMA, etc. Sponsor of elections of candidates to execute positions of key labor unions. Say. Ghana Bar Association, Peace Council, they are all gone. S.A.C.K group over there, Canada, they are gone. Baumia, hold on. Install Baumia as part of the succession plan. It's Baumia, Yachim Mafia plan. And president, Papa Biano Bepedi, young kind of question Ghana for. Because let's say, me remember Bechema, no someone came in, I mean, Chemuye. No, Govanka said me did Baumia, me Chemuye, Baumia between the president, Papa Biao Kuma. It would be very disastrous to pick a disastrous person to lead this country. SAS, gone. Galamsey, gone. Kosoro. 29. Yeah. Man fancy so. But what am I say? I'm on time. I'm on chim. I'm on chase. Shete.
Ebusia ho akọhwe ensem a captain eka edichere GJA na nsemi ebeto abonti na bi mo twese ase captain no or ya captain dodo ase na captain fo se oso chen obia ewo Ghana ha enu nti captain enhwe ni nsem yi ebi so ka se eyampa se GJA timi kokoji sika se na captain ka na dia na de se Ghana ha ye nyina we are not safe se central fo na da wo mu nyina aka mo ho abom so mo ye central fo ni pani oda no eye oruadwonfo na se captain allege se papa yi akwa kodi sika ntino timbe yo no captain ba ko pe no ho press conference dia na se Ghana ha ye nye save enti openedwonfo se enya mpa de bi mo kire se enya mpa openedwonfo emra bonte na omra emesan ni ti sen na won so wadwen esikyerɛ e wonsem ho eyampa se GJA no ekokodi sika bi se ne captain kana na ana se osusu se captain na ebo ne srem aka asem bia keke e de agu GJA no ho fie san se o se ono on ka GJA no ho nti o ka asem bia keke e de agu om ho fi ana me yehu e wo comment section ho aha e too much juice me so subscribe my page we wi anu emi adoma so ama upload bia bia wonsa etimi akabi e ya follow yen so e wo Facebook e too much macro.